What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I'm making a video that is something I think you need to hear because some people are lacking in that department. But we're gonna talk about the female orgasm and how to make her come every fucking time. She's gonna be like, every time. So yes, I think you guys want to do that for her, right? So I don't know, actually I am wondering whose job is it? Is it your job? Is it her job? Is it the both of you who have to, I don't know. But in this society nowadays, everything is on you. I hear it all the time. He needs to do this for me, he needs to do that. Everything is on the man. It's a man's job from what I hear from society. You gotta seduce her, you gotta take her out, you gotta give her money, you gotta cuddle, you gotta make her come every time. Like everything is geared toward the woman. What about your pleasure? We'll talk about this another time, but I know. Society is letting you know you need to make her come, and she's letting you know too, because if you don't make her come, she might not come back. So you might want to get good at it. I think it's really unfair because you have your own shit going on. Like you gotta perform, but you gotta also not come too quick, because if you come too quick, she's gonna go run her fucking mouth and say, oh my god, I got a 1 minute man. Then the second thing is that a lot of women do not even know how to make themselves come. So, but it's your job. She don't know how to make herself come, but it's your job to make her come. What sense does it make? I just feel like it's really fucked up that society is putting so much pressure on you. So today, I'm gonna try to help you and tell you how to make the bitch come every fucking time. So then she's gonna come back. She's gonna be like, Daddy, can you give me that again, please? So I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to not even have to worry about it. You won't even have to think about it, because you know what? After you practice several times, you're gonna be the fucking man in the bedroom, and you're never gonna have to ask yourself, am I gonna make her come? It's gonna be like second nature. Of course she's coming, the fuck. So, women's body get a longer time to get aroused than men. So to put everything on your side, what I recommend, I know you're gonna be like, what are you fucking talking about? I'm gonna recommend that you look the sexiest that you can, and to do that, your skin. Your skin gotta look good, so that's why today, Tej and Lee is sponsoring this freaking video, because I know I've talked about them a lot of times already, but I think you guys are not taking me seriously. But I'm gonna keep on talking about them until I see all of you with the perfect skin, okay? I think a lot of you guys do not realize the impact that a good skincare routine or a good skin has on your daily life, your social life, your dating life, your whole entire life. Also, when your skin is clear, your confidence level is gonna be so high that nobody is gonna be able to resist you. Tej and Lee makes skincare uncomplicated by sending you everything you need and nothing that you don't need. So I would recommend that you start with level 1 system, which is a face wash. You wash your face twice a day, day and night. Then you moisturize twice a day also, because you're not going outside with your skin dry as hell. And then twice a week, you do a little scrub to make sure that all the dirt that you accumulated from the week or from the days is out. Yes, it's very simple. There's also a little card. If you forget how to use those, you use this and it will help you. I don't know, maybe you still don't believe me, but there is a bunch of reviews online, so you should go check them out so you can see like I'm not fucking lying. And because Tej and Lee is sponsoring the video today, they are giving you, my lovers, 30% off your first box with a free gift. So you just have to go and click the first link that's in the description of this video and start today. You don't want to put skincare to another day. No, you need to clear your skin today. Okay, so don't miss out on this great deal. Because you know what, when she's gonna look at you and she sees like face perfect, skin perfect, she's gonna be like, okay, oh my god. And then when you go down, you don't want your skin to be rough. You want it to be like nice and smooth and yes. Now I'm telling you, a lot of women have a hard time having an orgasm through vaginal penetration. A lot of women cannot come if you do not stimulate the little clit. Yes, I'm telling you, vaginal orgasm is harder, but let's go. I'm gonna tell you how to get there. All right, so what you need to do as a number 1 is communication. Your communication needs to be A1. A bunch of them bitches or a bunch of you guys like talking, right? But when it comes to important stuff, it's crickets. No, you need to be able to talk and ask her about, did she ever come? Like, is that something like she has experienced? Was it by herself? Was it with someone? Was it from oral sex? Was it with a vibrator? How was it? You know, you need to ask all those questions. Don't make assumptions thinking, yeah, she probably comes and she probably comes that way. You don't fucking know. You need to ask her. So then you know what your job is gonna be. Hopefully the bitch can be honest, because if she's not honest on those points, well, she's shooting herself in the foot. But after that, that's not your responsibility, I feel. Number two, something that you guys might need to know, because I know some people are rushing into this shit, but the time for women to get aroused is between 20 to 40 minutes. So a lot of you guys are like, so like, oh my God, let's go fast. And then in the next 5 minutes, you're already in the pussy swimming. No, sir, you need to wait. I mean, I'm not talking about quickies, but I'm talking about, you know, you guys have time and you really want her to come. You need to play with her for a good 20 minutes minimum to 40 minutes. Yes, because once she's gonna be to a peak, to like, oh my God, she cannot wait to take the dick, that's when it's gonna be way easier for you, because she's really ready. She's gonna be wet, she's gonna be like thirsty for the dick, and now you can just slide in without hurting her. Because you know, sometimes you guys be going in, that shit is still dry, and you're going in and you're like, well, it was dry. Well, yes, you didn't pleasure me enough yet for me to be all wet and all ready to go. So guys, take your fucking time sometime. You can tell I'm talking with so much passion. But yes, you guys, some of you just be going way too quick all the fucking time. Take your time. And also, when she's not fully ready, she's not fully wet, it might hurt her when he goes in. It might damage her inside. Because she's not ready, she's not gonna be fully relaxed, and she's not gonna be able to get to the point of the orgasm, because you know, it's mental, but it's also the body. The body gotta be relaxed. And if I'm not relaxed, I'm not coming. All right, number three, you gotta know the anatomy, because I've heard some shit and you guys still don't know what's the clit and what's the G-spot. I don't know. Some women need stimulation from the clit or from the G-spot to come, or from both. It depends. So hopefully when you talk to her, you can figure out what she likes. Also, so when you try to go for the clit, it can be fingers, tongue, sometimes just you rubbing your dick on it, or even a thigh. Like it's gonna get the job done. So you might want to play with that. Also with the G-spot, it's mostly fingers or some positions like the doggy style. Yes, woof woof. Or also you can use toys, obviously. Number four that you guys maybe forget sometimes, safety. A woman to be able to come needs to be relaxed. So for her to be relaxed, she needs to feel safe with you. If she feels like somebody might burst in the door while she's fucking, she might not be relaxed enough. Or maybe in her mind she's scared of getting pregnant because you don't have condoms. You know, like sometimes you guys be fucking raw and hoping, okay, I'm gonna pull out. But in her mind, she might not be relaxed enough, and she might be thinking like, oh my God, I'm about to get pregnant. I don't know, I need, you know. If we are in her mind, the what's the word, the orgasm is not gonna come, because we need to be relaxed and fully kind of like fully focus on what's happening in our body. So just think about making her comfortable, for her to be relaxed. Bring condom, and never be the guy that's like, oh no, I don't want to use condom, like, you know, to make a big deal if she wants to use condom. Like, you gotta be, again, I'm talking for the women today, but it's the same the other way around. Like, the bitch cannot pressure you, no, we're not using condom, like, what the fuck. But yeah, just make sure she's comfortable. Number five, novelty. You know, you need to switch shit up. Yes, you need to switch it up. Like new experiences, new sensations, new places. Because when it becomes a routine, it's hard for us to just be like, yeah, I'm gonna come again. No, my mind is somewhere else. I'm like, oh, he's gonna tell me to turn around and do this, do that. It's boring. If a woman feel like fucking you is boring, she's most likely not coming. Our brains will just turn off when we're presented over and over again with the same situation. I mean, I think it's the same. No, maybe not, because you guys be so horny and ready to come. But I'm sure you're more excited if it's a little different and not always so much of a routine. So maybe, you know, you want to do stuff differently. Make out in a different way. Maybe you start in the kitchen, then to the couch, then to the bed. You know, you go everywhere in your house. Don't always go to the bedroom, because at some point it's just, okay, yeah, let's go to the bed. I'll meet you over there. Like, what the fuck? We have an appointment in the bedroom now. Number 6, toys. You guys, some of you are afraid of toys. Toys are not here to be your competition. They're not human, you know, they have to be activated. So you have to participate anyways. Don't see them as like, oh, you're not enough or you don't get enough, so we need to use a toy. No, toys are here to help you and help her orgasm faster and easier. So you should never look at it as like, I'm not good enough, I don't have enough, I can do all of this by myself. No, like, it's not a fucking competition. How you want to compete with a fucking toy? It's a toy. And number 7, take the pressure off the orgasm. Yes, a lot of men, it's the goal. Yeah, I want her to orgasm. I hear you, but you're putting so much pressure on yourself. You're putting so much pressure on you because let's say it doesn't happen. You're gonna feel like a failure. You're gonna feel like, oh my God, I can't make my bitch come. You know, you're gonna feel bad. And then she might look at you because you talk so much shit. She's gonna look at you like, well, yeah, you didn't make me come. Or she might feel bad and feel like, damn, I didn't come for him. Like, you know, she feels bad for herself and for you. So it's not a good situation. Just put in your head that the orgasm is not the sole purpose of sex. Sex is still pleasurable even if the bitch doesn't come. I'm sure for you, I mean, I know you guys like want to come, but I'm sure during it, you're having a good time. It feels good, you know? So it's not the end goal. The end goal is to enjoy yourselves and have a good time. But if she can come, that's the bonus, you know. But don't put so much pressure on it. Like, she gotta come, she gotta come, she gotta come. Like, it's just cherry on top if she comes. If she doesn't, it's okay too. Because the purpose of sex is really pleasure. The purpose of sex is not orgasm. It's pleasure. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. Those were like some simple stuff that you can implement or that you can just keep in mind to be able to make her come. I'll make another video about exactly what you need to do as far as position, as far as fingers, as far as like how to bend her over and do, you know, all that shit, and how to reach the G-spot. I'll do all of this in a different video. But that's it. Those are the stuff you need to have to be in good condition to make her come. Yes. All right, so you can like, share, comment. You can follow me on Instagram at Melli Melli Monaco, Melli Motors. You can subscribe to my Patreon at www.patreon.com/Melli Monaco. You can also subscribe to the new channel, the car channel, Melli Motors. I would appreciate you. And that's it. There's also the Pineapple Show channel. Too many channels. Yes. All right, guys. I love you. And I hope this is going to help you, because I don't know if you're having some issues to make your bitch come or a girl come, whatever. Hopefully that's helpful. I hope. All right. I love you guys. Good luck. Good luck. I send you on your journey. Good luck. And I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.